Welcome to Trendsetters. Join us as we explore the future of megatrends. Drones have soared beyond their initial novelty, embedding themselves into various sectors and transforming how we receive packages and respond to emergencies. From delivering your favorite snacks to rescuing stranded individuals, these unmanned aerial vehicles are proving to be more than just a tech enthusiast's dream. Let's dive into the multifaceted roles drones are playing this year. The sky's the limit. Drones and delivery services. The drone delivery market has exploded in the last few years, and 2024 is proving to be a breakthrough year. According to market research, the global drone delivery market is expected to reach $9.35 billion by 2028, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 20.5% from 2021 to 2028. This growth is fueled by advancements in technology and partnerships between tech companies and retailers. Amazon's Prime Air service is one of the leading forces in this sector, aiming to deliver packages in as little as 30 minutes. Amazon expanded its drone delivery services in select U.S. cities, and the company has received approval from the Federal Aviation Administration to begin its autonomous drone delivery trials in rural areas, where terrain and logistics make traditional delivery methods less efficient. Another major player, Wing, owned by Alphabet, has already begun offering deliveries in urban and suburban areas, including groceries, prescriptions, and small packages. In fact, Wing reported that it has completed more than 200,000 deliveries in 2024 alone, helping reduce traffic congestion and carbon emissions by eliminating the need for trucks and vans. As this sector grows, drones are expected to become the standard method for delivering packages in the next few years, particularly for time-sensitive deliveries. Grocery shopping gets a lift. Drones aren't just delivering products like electronics or books. They're also changing the way we receive food. Drone delivery is becoming increasingly popular for grocery shopping, with services like Wing and Walmart expanding their drone offerings. Wing has launched pilot programs in Virginia and Texas, where customers can order groceries, snacks, or even over-the-counter medications and have them delivered in 30 minutes or less. According to Wing's data, drones can reach a 3-mile radius, serving more than 50,000 homes. As drone delivery technology continues to improve, experts predict that by 2026, drones could be responsible for up to 25% of all grocery deliveries in urban areas. Walmart, one of the largest retailers in the U.S., has launched its own drone service in select locations, expanding to more than 1.8 million homes in Texas by mid-2024. Drone deliveries in the grocery sector are not just about speed. They are also aimed at reducing delivery costs, improving efficiency, and minimizing the carbon footprint associated with traditional delivery methods. With grocery delivery demand surging in 2024, drones are set to revolutionize this space, offering quicker, more sustainable options for customers. Healthcare takes flight. Drones are making a significant impact in the healthcare sector by improving the delivery of medical supplies, particularly in regions with limited access to healthcare infrastructure. The National Health Service in the UK has launched a program to deliver blood samples, medications, and other essential supplies between hospitals using drones. This system has drastically reduced delivery times, with drones delivering supplies in less than 2 hours compared to up to 24 hours via traditional methods. One of the most noteworthy achievements was when drones delivered blood samples during the COVID-19 pandemic, ensuring that hospitals had the resources they needed to fight the virus. In Rwanda, Zipline has been operating the world's largest drone delivery service since 2016, delivering blood, vaccines, and medical equipment to remote areas. Zipline expanded its services to Ghana, now covering over 90% of the country's population, providing quicker access to essential medical products than ever before. By bypassing roads, drones are particularly effective in regions with difficult terrain or poor infrastructure, enabling healthcare systems to deliver vital supplies faster and more reliably, ultimately saving lives. Disaster response. Drones to the rescue. In times of disaster, drones are proving to be invaluable. From hurricanes to wildfires, drones have been used in recent years to assess damage, locate survivors, and even deliver life-saving supplies to isolated areas. Drones are being used extensively in disaster zones, including in New York City, where they helped assess damage and assisted in rescue operations during the aftermath of severe storms. Following Hurricane Sandy in 2012, drones have become an essential part of the city's disaster response infrastructure, providing real-time aerial footage that helps emergency services to assess the scale of damage and prioritize rescue efforts. One example in 2024 was during the aftermath of Hurricane Idalia, when drones were dispatched to the Florida coast to deliver vital food and medical supplies to remote areas where traditional vehicles couldn't reach. Drones equipped with thermal cameras and sensors have also been used to locate survivors in rubble, reducing the time it takes to find and rescue people, which can make a critical difference in saving lives. With drones able to fly above blocked roads and flooded areas, their role in disaster response is set to grow, enhancing the effectiveness of emergency management efforts worldwide. The Great Wall gets a snack delivery. Drones are even being used in some of the world's most iconic locations, including the Great Wall of China. In 2024, Meituan, a major Chinese tech company, began deploying drones to deliver snacks, drinks, and even medical supplies to tourists visiting the battling section of the wall. This region attracts millions of visitors each year, but due to its mountainous terrain, it can be difficult to access with traditional delivery methods. Now, drones are providing a quick and efficient way for tourists to get refreshments and necessities without waiting in long lines or climbing steep stairs. The drones are able to cover the distance from Meituan's local warehouse to the wall in just a few minutes, helping improve the overall tourist experience. With the growing demand for tech-enhanced tourism, Meituan's drone service is not only about convenience, it also sets the stage for more widespread use of drones in remote locations for quick, on-demand deliveries. The service has already proven to be a success, with a significant reduction in delivery time and costs compared to using vehicles or human couriers. Retailers embrace the drone age. Retailers are quickly adopting drones for faster and more efficient deliveries. Walmart, a leader in this space, has expanded its drone delivery service to 1.8 million homes in Texas, offering groceries and essentials in as little as 10 minutes. This service, powered by DroneUp, acquired by Walmart in 2022, builds on Walmart's success since launching its drone program in 2023. Drones also provide an eco-friendly solution, with Walmart reporting a 25% reduction in carbon emissions per delivery compared to trucks. As retailers like Target and Kroger follow suit, the adoption of drones is expected to grow rapidly, driven by technology improvements and evolving regulations. Drones in law enforcement. Drones have become crucial for law enforcement, improving efficiency and officer safety. In New York City, the New York Police Department has expanded its drone fleet to enhance surveillance, particularly in densely populated areas. Since 2023, drones equipped with thermal imaging have been used to track suspects and locate missing persons with greater accuracy. In 2024, drones with facial recognition technology helped identify suspects in real time during public events, boosting security without relying on large teams. Drones also aid in crowd control during protests and monitor high-risk situations, offering officers a safer strategic view. While privacy concerns persist, drones are increasingly integral to modern policing, transforming how law enforcement responds to crime. Overcoming challenges, noise complaints, and regulations. Despite their benefits, drones face challenges, particularly around noise pollution. Residents in College Station, Texas, have complained about the noise from Amazon's delivery drones, which they describe as a giant hive of bees. Although designed to be quieter than traditional aircraft, the low-altitude noise can still disturb neighborhoods. Amazon is working to reduce this by using quieter propellers and optimizing flight paths. Additionally, Drones are subject to strict Federal Aviation Administration regulations regarding airspace, safety, and privacy. In 2024, the Federal Aviation Administration approved new rules to expand drone deliveries, but operators must still comply with guidelines on flight visibility and avoiding populated areas. Balancing innovation with public concerns and regulatory frameworks will be key to the future of drone operations. The future of drone delivery. The drone delivery industry is expected to grow significantly, reaching $7.2 billion by 2033, up from $426 million in 2023. This growth is driven by advancements in drone technology, AI, and the global demand for faster, more efficient delivery systems. Major companies like FedEx and UPS are exploring drone use for transporting goods between warehouses, reducing delivery times and costs. Drones are also becoming essential for delivering supplies in remote areas or emergencies. As technology advances and regulations evolve, drones will likely carry larger loads and even passengers, transforming the logistics and travel industries. Thanks for joining us on Trendsetters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any groundbreaking insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.